We got 50 people dead. I wonder what was going on inside dude's head. It's like these theater shootings, cats busting up these schools, too many lives being lost. This world is full of fools, 53 injured. Lord, it could have been more. We don't get our acts right. This is what we got in store, terrorist acts. Now what's happening in our land, we need to hit them back quickly, swift, with a strong hand. Epidemic, you see they mean business. We need a master plan. Seriously, we need to end this to the families of the victims. There's no words to be spoken, just know that we're here. During this time, your heart is broken. I'm writing tears because there's pain in my heart. The first hero, the first line, been crying from the start. As I went to sleep last night, I couldn't see this unfurled. I woke up this morning to a crazy world. And it's a living nightmare. Every channel turned to the same scene right there. I can remember that lady, she was crying for her son, not knowing if he survived or became a victim of this storm. Will enough be enough? How many lives would be given in this world so cold? It's looking sad for our children. It seems this world is asleep and we really need to wake up, realize what's going on before we really get a shake up. It's too late, we can't wait. Can you tell me what's the hold up? Too many people dying, everybody needs a shoulder. To the families of the victims, we love you, believe me. Mentally got to me, writing this song wasn't so easy. Disturbing, I'm brain wrecked, trying to figure this crap out. Not violent, but silent, this the way that I lash out. As I went to sleep last night, I couldn't see this unfurl. I woke up this morning to a crazy world. Woke up to this crazy world. Up to this crazy world. I woke up to this crazy world. Up to this crazy world. I woke up to this crazy world. Up to this crazy world. I woke up to this crazy world. Up to this crazy world.
Waking up early, had to look at my phone. Another madman acting alone. Heard he shot up the club. Y'all see this, what intolerance does. Damn man, can't believe it happened again. Our hearts a problem within. Some of y'all calling it sin. Man, we losing our family and friends. Understand the problem at hand. The problem is man. The problem is hate. Pay attention, listen. I'll elaborate. Teaching death for the different while they spreading ignorance. Preaching death in the churches. Preaching death in the mosques. They leaving you needed a surgeon. They wanna be popping off shots, wanna be blowing up bombs. The list keeps going on strong. Hatred is finding a way. Look at the terror on display. Day after day the television got me tripping while they running out of the building. Everybody bloody and confused. I saw the story on the news. This man survived while he had to watch his boyfriend die. Pain he never could shake. Don't matter you loving a boy or a girl. Love the only thing defeating hate when we in this crazy world.